Very good morning, children. Children, today also we'll continue with the revision. Lesson number 6, Measurement of Physical Quantities. Who is my companion? First one, velocity. Velocity is measured in meter per second. I repeat, velocity is measured in meter per second. Second one, area. Area is always measured in square meter. I repeat, area square meter. Third one, volume. Volume is always measured in liters. Okay. Once again I'll repeat, volume is always measured in liters. Fourth one, mass. Mass is measured in kilograms. You can also write it as kg. Okay, small k, small g. Okay. Once again I'll repeat, mass is always measured in kilogram, that is kg. Fifth, density. Density is always measured in kilogram per cubic meter. Okay. Once again, density is always measured in kilogram per cubic meter. Next one, explain giving examples. These can also come as define the following, okay, or give the definition of. You have to write the same answer in that. Let us see the first one, scalar quantity. The answer, a quantity which has only magnitude and no direction is known as scalar quantity. Example, distance, work, speed, time and energy. Once again I'll repeat, scalar quantity, a quantity which has only magnitude and no direction is called as a scalar quantity. Example, distance, work, speed, time and energy. The next one, vector quantity. The quantity which has both magnitude as well as direction is called as a vector quantity. For example, force, velocity and displacement. Okay. Once again I'll repeat, vector quantity, the quantity which has magnitude and direction both is called as a vector quantity. For example, force, velocity and displacement. Children, don't get confused between scalar and vector quantity. Scalar quantity is something which has only magnitude and no direction, whereas vector quantity has both magnitude as well as direction. Okay, children? Next, what is the difference between mass and weight? Okay, mass is on the left hand side and weight is on the right hand side. The first point in that, the amount of matter present in a substance is called as mass. On the right hand side you will write, the gravitational force acting on an object is called as its weight. Point number 2, mass is a scalar quantity. That is, mass has only magnitude and no direction. Whereas on that side you will write weight is a vector quantity. Means what? Weight has magnitude as well as direction. Okay. Point number 3. In mass, mass does not change from place to place. That side you will write in weight. Weight changes from place to place. Okay. Once again we will repeat. Distinguish between mass and weight. Point number 1. The amount of matter present in a substance is called as its mass, and the gravitational force acting on an object is called as its weight. Okay. Point number 2. Mass is a scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. Point number 3. Mass does not change from place to place and weight changes from place to place. Next we will see about lesson number 7. Motion, force and work. Fill in the blanks. If a body traverses a distance in direct proportion to this time, the speed of the body is dash. Okay. The answer is constant. Once again we'll repeat the sentence. If a body traverses a distance in direct proportion to the time, the speed of the body is constant. Okay. Next one. If a body is moving with a constant velocity, its acceleration is dash. The answer is 0. If a body is moving with a constant velocity, then its acceleration is 0. Okay. Third one. Dash is a scalar quantity. The answer is speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. Okay. Fourth one. Velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a particular direction in unit time. The answer is velocity. Once again I'll repeat. Velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a particular direction in unit time. Now, question number 2 is, from the groups B and C, choose the proper words for each in the group A. Okay. Group A are some of the examples, and group B and C are MKS and CGS system units of that. Okay. So you have to match group A with group B and C. Okay. The first one is work, joule and erg. Okay. MKS and CGS unit, joule and erg. Second, force, Newton and dyne. Okay. Third, displacement, meter and centimeter. Once again I'll repeat. From the group A, you have to choose the matching word with the group B and group C. Okay. So, first is work, joule and erg. Next is force, Newton and dyne. Third is displacement, that is meter and centimeter. Okay. Next, question number 3. Define or give the definition of. Okay. First is distance, the length of the route that is actually traversed by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called as a distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. Okay. Once again we will repeat. Distance, the length of the route that is actually traversed by a moving body irrespective of its direction is called as a distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. Okay. Second, Displacement. The minimum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point is called as the displacement. Once again we'll repeat. The minimum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point is called as the displacement. Third one, velocity. Velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a specific direction in unit time. The velocity of a body can be calculated by the following formula. Velocity is equal to displacement upon the period of the time required for the displacement. Okay. Once again we'll repeat the definition of velocity. Velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a specific direction in unit time. The velocity of a body can be calculated by the following formula. Velocity is equal to displacement upon period of the time required for the displacement. Next, fourth one is speed. Speed is equal to the distance traversed upon the total time taken. Okay. Once again I'll repeat. Speed is equal to the distance traversed upon the total time taken. Next we come to static electricity. Fill in the blanks. There is dash between the charges. The answer is always repulsion. Okay. There is always repulsion between like charges. Second one, dash is responsible for generation of electric charge in an object. The answer is displacement of negative charge. Okay. Displacement of negative charge is responsible for generation of electric charge in an object. Third one, a lightning conductor is made up of a dash strip. The answer is copper. A lightning conductor is made up of a copper strip. Okay. Fourth one, dash does not get electrically charged easily by rubbing. The answer is steel. Steel does not get electrically charged easily by rubbing. Fifth one, there is dash when opposite electric charges come near each other. The answer is always attraction. I repeat, there is always attraction when opposite electric charges come near each other. Okay. Sixth one, a dash object can be detected with an electroscope. The answer is charged. A charged object can be detected with an electroscope. Okay. Next, true or false. First one, the number of positive and negative charges are equal on an uncharged or neutral object. The answer is false. The number of positive and negative charges are equal on an uncharged or neutral object. The answer is false. Okay. Next one, the electric charge generated by induction stays permanently on an object. The answer again is false. Okay. It is not permanent on an object. It remains temporary on the object. Okay. So your answer is false. Third one, attraction is used as a test for identifying an electrically charged object. Again, your answer is false, since repulsion is used as a test for identifying an electrically charged object. Okay, and here it is given attraction, so your answer is obviously false. Fourth one, a charged object can be detected with an electroscope. Your answer is true. Okay. Next we come to lesson number 9, that is heat. Fill in the blanks. First one, maximum heat is absorbed by a dash colored object. The answer is black. Maximum heat is always absorbed by a black colored object, since black color absorbs more heat. Okay. Second one, dash of heat does not require any medium. The answer is radiation. Okay. Radiation of heat does not require any medium. Next, conduction of heat takes place through a dash substance. The answer is good conductor. Conduction of heat takes place through a good conductor substance. Fourth one, the shining surface in a thermos flask decreases the outgoing heat by dash. The answer is reflection. The shining surface in a thermos flask decreases the outgoing heat by reflection. Okay. Fifth one, cooking utensils are made from metal due to their property of dash. Here the answer is conduction. Okay. Cooking utensils are made from metals due to their property of conduction. Okay. Sixth one, the earth receives heat from the sun by dash. The answer is radiation. The earth receives the heat from the sun by radiation. Okay. Next, what will absorb heat? Here are a list of the substances, and you have to tell among these substances who will absorb more heat. Okay. Steel spoon, wooden board, glass vessel, iron griddle, that is tawa, glass, wooden spoon, plastic plate, soil, water and wax. Okay. And of all these, only steel spoon, iron griddle, water, soil and wax, they will absorb heat. Okay. Children, why will only all these absorb heat? And why will wooden spoon, wooden board, plastic plate will not absorb heat? Since wood and plastic are bad conductors of heat, and glass, steel, then iron, these all are good conductors of heat. Okay, so they all will absorb heat, whereas wooden and plastic articles will not absorb heat. Okay, so steel spoon, iron griddle, water, soil and wax, these all will absorb heat, and wooden board, wooden spoon, plastic plate, these all will not absorb heat. Okay children, so we'll conclude the lecture with this question. Thank you.